So this is the Suzuki lightweight adventure bike. What the fuck happened there? The lightweight seems to have gone out the bloody bathroom. Okay, we'll see how we get on. I haven't got that much actually. A couple of superfluous things, I suppose. I like a chair at night, so I've got a chair packed. I like a table if I'm cooking and things. I've got some food in that one. A sleeping bag in the bottom. I've put obviously my mat at the top here, my tent there. That's my cooking stuff. And that one is clothes, I think. I'm missing a 5-litre pocket on here. Moscow Moto forgot to send me it. Well, they actually sent me the wrong one. But the good news is they remedied it real quickly. So they realised they'd made a mistake and sorted it real quickly. So a new one's coming. But my lightweight adventure bike seems to have turned into a little pig. So we'll see how we go today. And I'll let you know. I haven't got my microphone sorted yet, so I'll try and keep the road pictures down to minimum, and we'll see how we go.